Hey everyone, it's your favorite stock expert back again with another exciting news update from the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to talk about SBF and the recent developments in his ongoing legal battle. For those who don't know, SBF is a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency world and the CEO of the FTX exchange. Recently, SBF and his associates were charged with violating federal banking laws, including the Bank Secrecy Act and the Anti-Money Laundering Act. The charges stem from allegations that SBF and his associates facilitated cryptocurrency transactions that violated these laws. While SBF himself has not been charged, several of his close associates have already pleaded guilty to their involvement in the illegal activity. While SBF was making his way to New York, two of his associates were pleading guilty to charges related to their involvement in the illegal trading scheme. John Geraci and Robert Farkas, co-founders of Centra Tech, a company that raised $32 million in an initial coin offering, ICO, back in 2017, pleaded guilty to conspiracy to commit securities fraud, wire fraud, and mail fraud. Centra Tech's ICO was promoted by celebrities such as boxer Floyd Mayweather Jr. and DJ Khaled. However, the company's claims that it had partnerships with Visa and MasterCard turned out to be false, and the SEC accused the company of misleading investors. The two co-founders were arrested in 2018 and charged with fraud. In a statement, the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York said that Geraci and Farkas engaged in an extensive scheme to deceive investors and made false statements about nearly every aspect of Centra's business. The statement also noted that Geraci and Farkas had misled investors about the company's partnerships, the experience of its management team, and the status of its regulatory compliance. In addition, the two men created fictional executives and lied about their own backgrounds to make the company appear more credible. Moreover, according to the indictment, the two men exploited investor enthusiasm for cryptocurrency and blockchain technology to deceive investors and enrich themselves. Geraci and Farkas face up to 5 years in prison for each count of the indictment. The guilty pleas of Geraci and Farkas are a major milestone in the case against Centra Tech, and they could provide valuable evidence against SBF, who was reportedly involved in the illegal scheme. However, it is worth noting that SBF has not been charged with any crime, and he has denied any wrongdoing. SBF's other associates have also been implicated in the scandal. One of them, Gregory Cuban, pleaded guilty to charges of money laundering and conspiracy to commit wire fraud. He admitted that he had conspired with SBF and others to launder millions of dollars in illegal proceeds from cryptocurrency exchanges. Another associate of SBF, Anton Murashkevich, also pleaded guilty to money laundering and conspiracy to commit wire fraud. He admitted to being part of a conspiracy to launder over $300 million in illegal cryptocurrency transactions. Other reports pitched that SBF has hired top-notch legal representation and is expected to fight the charges vigorously. This development has caused a stir in the cryptocurrency world. Some experts believe that the outcome of this case could set a precedent for future cryptocurrency-related legal cases. In a statement, SBF said that he had been extremely forthcoming and transparent with regulators and law enforcement agencies and that he would continue to cooperate with them. I have never been involved in any pump and dump scheme, nor have I ever manipulated the market, he said. I am confident that the truth will come out and that my name will be cleared. Furthermore, SBF's arrival in the US has generated a lot of interest in the cryptocurrency community, with many speculating about what his next move will be. Some have suggested that he may be in talks with regulators about a possible settlement, while others believe that he may be planning to launch a new cryptocurrency exchange in the US. Whatever his plans may be, SBF's arrival in the US is a significant development in the ongoing case against him and his associates. The cryptocurrency community will be watching closely to see how the case unfolds and what impact it will have on the industry as a whole. In the meantime, SBF has continued to lead the FTX exchange and make moves in the cryptocurrency market. Just recently, FTX announced that it had acquired the naming rights to the Miami Heat's arena, now known as the FTX Arena. While some in the industry have resisted regulation and viewed it as a threat to the decentralized nature of cryptocurrency, others have recognized the need for responsible oversight to build trust and legitimacy in the space. SBF's case serves as a reminder that compliance is not optional and that those who operate outside the law will ultimately face consequences. Regardless of the outcome, this case highlights the need for transparency and compliance within the cryptocurrency industry. As the sector continues to grow and mature, regulatory oversight is becoming increasingly important to ensure that bad actors are held accountable and that investors are protected. In conclusion, the recent developments surrounding SBF and its associates have caused a stir in the cryptocurrency community. SBF's arrest and the guilty pleas of his associates have raised concerns about the potential use of cryptocurrency exchanges for money laundering. With that being said, it is important to note that the vast majority of cryptocurrency transactions are legitimate and that the industry is working to improve its anti-money laundering and anti-fraud measures. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on cryptocurrency news and market analysis.